10 short things to do in Ooty. Hello and welcome to Travel to Ooty. If you want to be part of our travel journey, join us as we explore the beautiful hill station of Ooty. Whether you have just one day or a full 5 days to spare, we have the perfect itinerary for you. From scenic landscapes to charming attractions, let's dive into the ultimate travel guide to Ooty. To join us on this exciting journey, follow these 3 simple steps. First, tell us your travel plan. Let us know how many days you'll be spending in Ooty and any specific preferences you have. Second, get quotes in your email. We'll send you detailed itineraries and costs tailored to your plan. And third, have a hassle-free trip. Leave all the planning to us and enjoy a seamless, unforgettable experience in Ooty. In this video, we're going to tell you all about our one-day trip itinerary to Ooty. Whether you're short on time or just looking for a quick getaway, we've got the perfect plan for you to make the most out of your day in this beautiful hill station. You have one day in Ooty and want a list of things to do. What are the places you shouldn't miss? This top 10 short things to do in Ooty offers 6 great starting points. Choose 5 or 6, or try to fit them all in if you feel up to it, and get a real feel for what Ooty is all about. Our selection includes a good mix of cultural and leisure activities, each with recommended times to visit. As any seasoned visitor would tell you, Ooty is a timeless natural beauty. The bustling town is a fascinating blend of unique sights, sounds, and smells. We find it captivating, and we're sure you will too. Have a look at the places just waiting to be discovered by visitors. 1. Doddabetta Peak. Spend about 45 minutes at the highest point in Ooty, capturing stunning photos of the breathtaking views. It's a perfect spot for a memorable photo session amidst nature's beauty. 2. Tea Factory Viewpoint. After a short 10-minute drive from Doddabetta, spend 30 minutes at the Tea Factory Viewpoint. Enjoy the scenic landscape and don't forget to pick up some premium tea products to take home. 3. Eagles Dare Adventure Sports. Just a 2-minute walk from the Tea Factory, Eagles Dare offers an exhilarating adventure sports experience. Spend around 55 minutes here, indulging in thrilling activities and making unforgettable memories. 4. Botanical Garden. Spend around 1 hour and 30 minutes exploring the Botanical Garden, located just a 15-minute drive from the Tea Estate Viewpoint. Don't miss the attractions like the Glass House, Tibetan Market, Flower Seeds Counter, and the Assembly Theater. 5. Rose Garden. A quick 10-minute drive from the Botanical Garden takes you to the beautiful Rose Garden. Spend about 1 hour and 30 minutes here, enjoying the serene surroundings and the stunning variety of roses. 6. Thunder World. Thunder World offers an exciting 2-hour and 30-minute experience, just a 15-minute drive from the Rose Garden. Explore the wonders of science and entertainment here. 7. Boathouse. From Thunder World, take a 15-minute drive to reach the boathouse. Spend around 2 hours and 30 minutes enjoying a boat ride in the picturesque surroundings. 8. Horse Ride. A short 10-minute walk from the boathouse takes you to the horse ride spot. Enjoy a leisurely ride for about 2 hours, experiencing the beauty of Ooty on horseback. 9. Honeymoon Boathouse. From the horse ride spot, take a 10-minute drive to reach the Honeymoon Boathouse. Spend about 1 hour and 30 minutes walking around the park and then enjoy a romantic boat ride. 10. El Kil Temple. Located a 20-minute drive from the Honeymoon Boathouse, El Kil Temple is a devotional Hindu temple where visitors typically stay for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. If you're planning to spend more time in Ooty, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to learn about our 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, and 5-day itineraries, packed with even more exciting places to explore and things to do. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Ooty. Whether you're planning a short visit or a longer stay, we hope this guide has inspired your travel plans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels!